secret escape from Philippine arrest in Indonesia. Alice Go, a prominent figure in a larger financial scandal, secretly left in the Philippines in earlier August 2024. Despite being under investigation, she managed a local authorities and fled the country undetected. Let's hear more about Alice Go from Miss Lauren Gringo.
Alice Go secretly escaped from Philippines and arrest in Indonesia. Alice Go, a prominent figure linked to a large financial scandal, secretly left the Philippines in early August 2024. Despite being under investigation, she managed to evade local authorities and fled the country. Undetected, it was not until later that suspicions arose regarding her whereabouts when she missed legal processing. In the weeks following her appearance, Philippines authorities launched head and manhunt but were unable to track her down within the country. Go had made her way to Indonesia, reportedly using forged documents and maintaining a low profile. Her sudden disappearance raised concern over potential lapses in border security. On September 1, 2024, Indonesia authorities apprehended Go at a private resort in Bali. Working closely within the Philippines government, officials are now processing her extradition to face trial back home. Her arrest is expected to bring significant development to ongoing investigation into her involvement in financial
Monkeypox testing free in government hospitals. Suspect cases of monkeypox may avail of testing services in government hospitals for free as of now to confirm whether they have monkeypox virus or not. The Department of Health or DOH has Secretary Ted Herbosa on information by House Deputy and Majority Leader and former Health Secretary Janet Kari during the host committee on appropriation hearing on the purpose budget of DOH. Let's hear more from Irish Morales.
Doc Herbosa, monkeypox testing free in government hospital. Suspect case of monkeypox may avail of testing service in government hospitals for free as of now to confirm whether they have the monkeypox virus or not. The Department of Health or DOH. Health Secretary Ted Herbosa made the information by House Deputy Majority Leader and former Health Secretary Janet Kari during the House Committee on Appropriation hearing on the proposed budget of DOH for next year.
It's experimental time!
In our experiment, we're going to use cooking oil, water, syringe, dye, and Flumicil as an activator. To perform our experiment, first we're going to need some water and we need to put it in the oil. Next, we're going to put food coloring or dye in it. Let's just wait it to settle at the bottom of the glass. And last, we're going to put the activator or the Flumicil and wait until the magic happens. And that's it.
The substances that settles at the bottom of the container have higher densities, while those that settles on the top of the other have lower densities. Try it for yourself. Science need not to be hard, but it can be fun.
The region braced for impact of storm. Local authorities officially announced the cancellation of classes for all private and public schools immediately. Let's hear from IZ Tolentino.
Local emergency services are on high alert and have activated their emergency response plans. Shelters are being prepared for residents who may need a safe place to stay. This storm presents a serious threat to our community, and the safety of our children is of utmost priority.
Streamline which also wrote the All Filipinos and the Great Conference still has one assignment left again, farm fresh on Wednesday. An attack error from signal import by MJ Perez then headed Creamline. The forset escaped. In the first game, against the team its call-up from Thailand service in marathons against Farm Fresh. They had the score 22-25, 25-17, 19-25, 25-20, 17-15 to get secure its first win in the tournament at 1/3.